Okay, here is the bedroom of the one bedroom at the Lenox Oaks. So this has a great feel. I really like the feel of this. It feels awesome. This is, I think, a queen. A king would fit. It's just that the queen is going to give you a little bit more space. Um, and then you've got a lot of lighting in here, so the lighting looks really good. I like the three windows. That's a great effect. And then you've got your dresser that's over here, and that dresser is it's a short dresser, but you could certainly have a tall one. You also have your closet here. Pretty good closet size. I'd say it's kind of decent. It's not blowing me away, but it's also not little either. So decent size, and you can stack up things really nicely in there. Now let's check out the bathroom. They do have a great Honeywell thermostat, and I'm assuming that you can amp that up and control that from wherever you are. And wow, look at this beautiful bathroom. The bathroom's spontaneous, excellent, beautiful. Love it. I just didn't expect it. It's just large, huge, great countertops. It's beautiful. I love the color combinations in here. I also love that there's no carpet or anything else tile. It's just a continuation of the vinyl flooring, so that's pretty. Look at all this storage space. This is phenomenal. So instead of going the traditional linen closet route, they just made a lot of shelves, which I kind of like. I don't think a lot of people, as many people, use the linen closet, so I think that's a great thing. Look at the tub shower with that rainwater spout. This is really nice. I like this. So it gives you where you can have the you can have your tub experiences, but then you can do the shower, of course, anytime. Right there. There you go. Beautiful bath. Don't you love it? Okay, so we're gonna go back out here, and just so you can see, and I can prove to you that it's here. Here you go. Here is that washer and dryer. Yes. So y'all, this is the one bedroom. I want you to reach out to me, because here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm not only going to give you more information about the Lenox Oaks, but I'm also going to help you compare the Lenox Oaks to other choices that might be a good fit too. I'll do that instead of your search for an apartment taking weeks, months. How about days or even hours? That's what our service does. It's a free service, and there's just nothing like it, because we go on the ground. We actually look at apartments, we film them, we know what we're doing because we've actually been here to each apartment we recommend. A lot of services never even visit the apartments. Do you know that? Services that help people. How can you really help people and recommend an apartment if you've never even been inside of it? What kind of service is that? It's not a service. So what we do is serve you. We want to make sure that everything is great for you. So you can reach out to me directly anytime. You can text me 214-492-9791, 214-492-9791. You can also go to both of my websites, uptown101.com, uptown101.com, or you can do Howdy Texas Apartments if you're a Texas A&M Aggie, howdytexasapartments.com. Reach out, sign up for our free service. You can ask for me directly, and I'd be happy to help you with this beautiful apartment, or to sift through the hundreds and thousands of apartments in Houston in record time.